Hello, everyone. Today's video is going to show you how to convert YouTube videos to MP4 easily. First, launch Joyoshare screen recorder on your computer after installation. Remember to choose the record video and audio mode by clicking the camera-like icon. Then press the little gear icon here to unfold a new window so that you can adjust your recording settings. For example, you can tap the Format button to set MP4 as your output format. Click the gear icon here, so that you can adjust video quality, codec, bitrate, etc. You can also add a watermark to your YouTube video and change its forms freely. Under the other two options, you are able to schedule recording tasks, show cursor, highlight clicks, etc. as well. Now, open the YouTube video you want to convert to MP4.
Next, press the small triangle icon to grab your recording area in any size.
Don't forget to turn on your system audio and adjust the volume. Finally, you are able to click the Rec button and begin to download your YouTube video to MP4.
From the moment I wake up in the morning to the moment I fall asleep at night, I was born to play. It's my reason for living. Hello? What the? Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Help! I'm not done! Holy! Oh my goodness! This weird. It counts off. There's a soul missing. Is this heaven?
No.
Is it H?
Now, you can begin to play and manage your downloaded YouTube videos.
Hello? What the?
That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.